Hello students, so here in this video we are going to talk about the formula of simple compounds as we have already discussed in our previous lectures as well. So we are going to continue in writing the formula. So now let's talk about simple covalent compounds. So when I'm talking about simple covalent compounds, what I am referring to that most covalent compounds, they exist as separate discrete molecules. Therefore, they are represented by molecular formula. As you know, we had already seen in our previous lecture that molecular formula, which actually indicate the exact number of atoms in a molecule, while empirical formula, it gives the simplest ratio of atoms in a molecule. All right. Okay. So now you know molecular formula. Let's understand it with the help of an example. One molecule of water contains two hydrogen and one oxygen. Here, as you can see, this formula actually is giving us the info of two hydrogen atoms. How do I know? Because here two is written. So this hydrogen, how many two atoms of hydrogen are there? There is only one oxygen. As I can see, no subscript if there is only one atom, because it is obvious that this is one. So I don't need to mention that. So this molecular formula gives me the exact number, which is H2O. There are two hydrogen and one oxygen atom. Okay, now let's move on to our next lecture.